Good morning, students. This is Rajesh Agarwal, your English teacher. From today, we are going to start our book Footprints Without Feet. We will do our chapter number first. The name of chapter is A Triumph of Surgery. Triumph means victory and surgery means hospital. A victory of a hospital. Written by James Herriot. First of all, we will know something about the poet. James Alfred Waite, born on 3rd October 1916, died on 23rd Feb 1995, known by the pen name James Herriot. Actually, James Herriot is the pen name of James Alfred Waite. Was a British veterinary surgeon. Veterinary surgeon means a surgeon, a doctor who deals with the animals, and writer who used his many years of experiences as a veterinary surgeon to write a series of books, each consisting of stories about animals and their owners. So this was about the poet. Now let us see something about the introduction to the chapter. This story is about Tricky, a dog who is the pet of a rich lady named Mrs. Pumphrey. She loves her dog very much and is unable to refuse him anything he wants. Tricky is fond of eating cream cakes and chocolates. So one day, when Mrs. Pumphrey is out with Tricky for a walk, the narrator sees them and stops to talk. Narrator is the person who narrates the story to us. While talking to Mrs. Pumphrey, he realizes that she has been overfeeding Tricky and also had been giving him things that he shouldn't eat, due to which Tricky had started looking like a bloated sausage. Bloated means swollen, we can say, and sausage means a type of meat, means swollen meat. Soon Tricky got unwell and Mrs. Pumphrey has to call Mr. Herriot. Mr. Herriot is the narrator of this story, for help. She doesn't want to send him away, but the only way suggested by Mr. Herriot is to get him hospitalized for 15 days. Then the story unfolds into how he gets well. So this is the introduction of the chapter. Now let's see what is the theme of this chapter. Theme of story, A Triumph of Surgery by James Herriot, is about a rich lady, Mrs. Pumphrey, pampering her pet dog. Pampering means giving love, a lot of love. Tricky. In her affection and love for her pet, she gave her sweet food, Horlicks, cream cakes, chocolates, etc. as many times as the dog demanded. This sweet and fatty food made Tricky enormously fat, hugely fat. James Herriot suggested her not to give the dog such type of food and also suggested her to make Tricky do exercise. But Mrs. Pumphrey did not follow the narrator's advice. As expected, Tricky fell ill. The narrator means Mr. Herriot, since he was a qualified vet, took the sick dog to his clinic. He kept it on normal diet, made it drink lots of water. Here it is used for Tricky. It played with other dogs, and after a fortnight means after 2 weeks, it became healthy again. Even during Tricky's treatment, Mrs. Pumphrey would send boiled eggs, wine, and brandy to be given to Tricky, but the narrator did not give anything to the dog. When Mrs. Pumphrey got Tricky back, she was very happy. She thought the narrator had done some surgery on it. So in gratitude, she said, gratitude means in thankfulness, she said, this is a triumph of surgery. Now let us see what is the summary of the chapter. The story starts when Mrs. Pumphrey, a rich lady, takes her dog out for a walk. A nearby veterinary doctor who knows the lady sees the dog and is shocked as he sees that the dog looks like a bloated sausage with a leg at each end, at each corner. He advised her to stop giving him unhealthy things to eat, but Mrs. Pumphrey is not able to refuse him. Soon he falls sick and the doctor is called. The narrator, Mr. Harriet, then somehow takes Tricky, the dog, to hospital. The dog doesn't move much, nor eats anything for the first 2 days. On the second day, he looks around and whimpers a bit. Whimpers means doing some activity. He wanted to go out on the third day and started playing with the bigger dogs when he was taken out. He also licked the bowls of other dogs clean on the third day. Then his condition started improving very fast. He started fighting for his meals with other dogs. Then when this news reached Mrs. Pumphrey, she started sending him eggs as she thought that Tricky was recovering from an illness and needed energy foods. Mr. Harriet and his partners started eating those eggs for morning breakfast. Then, for improving Tricky's blood, Mrs. Pumphrey started sending in bottles of wine, which was again consumed by Mr. Harriet and his partners. Then, when she started sending in bottles of brandy for Tricky, that was the time when Mr. Harriet thought that he would really like to keep Tricky as a permanent guest in the surgery. But then he took a wise decision and called up Mrs. Pumphrey to take Tricky back to home. Tricky was really happy to see his mistress, means his owner, and jumped into the car. Mrs. Pumphrey said that she won't be able to ever thank him for what he had done. This much is enough for this lecture. In our next lecture, we will do the textual reading of the chapter. Till then, have a nice day.